Alright, hi kids. In this video, we are going to we're going to illustrate, demonstrate the um, SCSS Angular libraries importing into an Angular web app and Angular workspace. So here we have an Angular workspace and we have this Angular library. And before uploading and publishing this to npm, we'll have to test this. That's why we have a web app here. So we are testing here um, variables in SCSS. So this this is the this is the web app, and this is we put in an h2 element here. We call this we'll call this red. And if you can see here, we don't have a style here. We have a style, but it's not related to h2. Let's go to style. This variable here is owned by our library. Hold on, can we make this bigger? Right, by this library. So that is located here, this variables. And if you click here, this is red. That is the one that we are going to apply here. So for now, so this is working. This is red because this is hard coded. So if we put green, it will turn to green. So you see it's green. But now we want to remove that. We want to use the variable red. Let's see if it's still working. See, it's still working. It's red. And we spent so much time fighting this, and to make your life easier, this is what I did. This is for this to work in a workspace setup. So I put this style preprocessor options and include paths. So this path is the path of our library, and this is where its styles are located. And this one also here for the styles, we're importing the styles of our library. In our library, we don't have any styles inside our SCSS of each component. So we can delete this, and in our TS, we don't want styles on um, each component because it's going to get very messy if we have a lot of SCSS floating around. So that's why we want to centralize our SCSS. So we remove that. We remove the SCSS here. Also here for the navigation, we want to remove that. Put that one, remove this also. Same to this. Remove that. And here, put remove this one here. Okay, so they don't have, they are now circumcised. No more SCSS. They are all now going to use this main SCSS here, and then this main SCSS is importing a variable here where we want to use the colors here, in our colors here. But for now, we're not using it yet. We're just gonna demonstrate to you guys. So all these components are being exposed here. And what else did we do? What else did we have we done? Um, so this one, I'm not sure what if this is still useful. Um, okay, so we'll try. It's already working now, right? So it's already working here in our local, in our workspace. Let's try again, just to make sure. All right, run that. And yep, still working. Now we wanted to test this in by publishing this to npm. Okay, so we'll go to first. Yeah, let's publish this. To publish this, we already have a script here called build npm and push. And what is that red thing that I notice? Data path must not have additional properties. Uh-oh. Okay, we're going to have a problem. Um, let's go to our let's manually do this. First, let's build the thing. Okay, so we have an error. Schema definition failed with the following errors. Data path must not have additional properties. What is this? Where is this? Style preprocessor. I think we don't need this in our library. So let's go to our library. Where is this located? This one. Yeah, this is in. Okay, so we can remove this, I believe. We can remove this. I believe we really don't need that. Okay, build again. Still having error. Still in. Okay, so still here. Yeah, we don't want this. How about this one? This is already the web. Still don't want this. Let's try. This is not related to you. Okay, so I'll just follow that. Hopefully that builds. Okay, that builds. Let's pop up our, maybe have this as version 3.1.0. Let us build and push. So we're building and we're pushing. So it's now pushed. We're going to commit this now. Commit. And in the application that we wanted tested, we want this to be tested. Let's install this. First, we wanted to commit this and then install nvm npm I vwx ui v3 latest. Okay, so let's check 3 point. Okay, there it's there. Let us put in, let's go to angular.json. Where is the angular.json of our web app? There you go. And the build options and the assets and the styles. So yeah, we wanted to node modules, node, how do you say that? Node modules dot vwx ui v3 dot slash, need to find this, vwx ui v3 src src styles main dot scss, and the other one is um, variables. Okay, what else did we do here? Okay, so I think that's it. We'll try. Okay, npm run start. Seems like everything is still working and the styles are still there. Let's try to use the variables. So we go to style, then let's go to our workspace, open web, go to styles, say import. Let's try to import variables. So it can't find the variables. So let's go to JSON. Let's see if we can still, yeah, we can still get this. Okay, there will be below polyfills, the polyfills, right? Then instead of projects, it will be node modules. So let's see. Yeah, it worked. Okay, and now we'll try to use one of the variables. So here in this YouTube page, let's um, influence or put color in this H3. So we'll see H3 color, say F2200. So its color change. Let's change this to yellow, and H3 changes to that color. Okay, so now we wanted to use the red variable. Will it change? Oh, all right, it takes effect. um, let's try to build this. Npm run build. If it will build successfully. No, yeah, I think it built, although it has a warning. So now we will test if we can deploy this. Okay, so Let's commit this, and then let's push this to our to the actual hosting. Okay, commit and push. Yeah, deploy. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Go to .NET. Okay, so let's deploy. Deploy. Okay, deploy. Got warning. And then we will go to our caching. We will invalidate the caching. Okay, so let's open .netsys.com. Okay, I think that this is still using the um, old version. Now let us invalidate the cache. Alright, and validation is still in progress. Let's see. Alright, it's completed. Let's refresh. Hope the service worker will invalidate and give us a new version of the app. There you go, it's red. And yeah, I think we're good. We're okay. It's nice. So, what makes this update um, like technically nice is like what I showed you earlier. So here, what is this? Okay, so oops, don't save. Okay, so what we did is in our library's components are very clean. It doesn't have any SESS in its individual component, and we handle everything here in the main component. And we have variables, and then we can also add more sophisticated SESS logic in our styles, and that is good. The infrastructure for the code is already set up, and that is so nice. Okay, so that's it. We will keep on growing this library, and yeah, I think that's good. That's good. That's good. Right. So yeah, we're going to add artificial intelligence tab also here, and yeah, that's it. That's it. Thanks. Bye bye.